Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Windows Media Player with wrong Find Album Info link. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click Media Player. Click Tuner Config. Double-click Preferred Metadata Provider. Delete all value data. Click OK. Close and exit Registry Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.